This is my 1975 Partner F55, Farmer 55. I bought this from a guy in Fredericton or Nashwauk Sis. It had a crack down here, split, so I fixed that, and she was faded bad. They were orange. 3 models of these were orange in 75 and 76 as far as I can find out, and the rest of them were yellow. I had an R16. I worked in the woods with it. This is the very same motor, same bore, same stroke, everything. A dent in my muffler. They want $100 for one of them, so that's not going to happen. I tried to get some decals made for it. Farmer goes across here, and I wanted Partner on top and F55 on the sides. And I tried about 7 or 8 places. Nobody wants to make 3 little decals, black lettering. Couldn't find anybody to make them. Garazon Studios, they said they'd make them when I sent the size stuff. I never heard from them again. Anyway, I'll lay this down and give it a quick flip. She's got about 142 or 3 pounds compression, so I got rings that'll fit it, but I haven't decided whether I'm gonna. I don't know what, I can't find out what they were new, but 140 is pretty good, I would think. And that is it.